today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the background from your wedding monogram or your wedding logo using Canva. Now, this is one of Canva's premium features, but if you don't have the Canva Premium, you can take advantage of the free trial, and I will also be making a video of how you can do this for free, so make sure that you check that out. I will link that in the description below as soon as that comes out. So make sure that you have your wedding monogram ready to go, and I'm going to show you how to get rid of that background. Let's jump to Canva. Okay, so you have spent ages creating just the right combination for your wedding invitation. You are finally happy with the design, and now you're going to add it to your wedding stationery. And you insert it, and whop whop, yuck. How do we get rid of this background? There are a couple of options. Option one is when you are downloading it, you have the Canva Premium option. So that means you are able to access the crown options. There is the transparent background. So when you are downloading it, you are downloading it with a transparent background. Then when you go to uploads, upload files, you will see it's already got the checkered background, which indicates that it is transparent. There we go. Perfect. That's option one. Download it with a transparent background. Option two, if you've got the original logo that you've put in there, you will see once it is selected, you've got the purple lines around it, you can come up here for this premium version, background remover, and you can remove the background that way. Stunning. And now easy to manipulate. If you don't have the Canva Premium, make sure you check out my video for how to remove background for free in Canva. I will link it in the description below so that you are able to still access your Canva designs. Congrats, you are now free of your background getting in your way. If you are now ready to take your stunning monogram and test it out on your save the dates, make sure you check out the save the dates here. Or if you are ready to go onto your wedding invitations, that video is right here for you. Have fun!